Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Brother MFC Printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to copy in black and white on this device. So, firstly, you should load the content you wanna copy. So, here I have the print quality check sheet, and you just need to insert it on your scanner glass and click copy on your home screen. Then choose the type of copy, so normal copy, two-sided, double-sided copy, from A4 to A3 copy, ID card, so double side of ID, two sides of ID card and one side of paper card, 2-in-1 poster, ink safe mode, for example, and then just click mono. I suggest use just standard mode, but now I will print in ink safe mode, and click mono start. Cool, that's it. As you can see, the document was successfully copied. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you.